Hello everybody, and we are going to be reacting to this weird guy called Shappysway. Yeah, this pretty much just sucks.
The room was warm, the sheets were clean, but Shappy knew this wasn't a dream. The ceiling throbbed like something near, and every corner hummed with fear. The vent above had eyes tonight, not real ones. Still, they blinked just right, and through the grates came slow, thick breath. Remember me, forget the rest. He didn't move, he didn't cry. His body stayed, but he passed by.
I may be 5 foot, but that's because God put that extra 12 inches somewhere else.
What? Never mind.
I may be 5.
Already off to a bad start.
How should I feel? Creatures lie here. This girl said, men twerk when they do missionary. I wonder if it's true. Hey, Crappy, get up real quick. I saw a meme on the internet. Get on the bed and do a missionary position.
Why are you doing this?
Oh, what the fuck?
But you said missionary position. This is how you defend yourself against a handsome gay man. Are you? Going to attack me?
I thought you were going to attack me.
Well, I'm not.
Well, you're clearly the handsome one.
Well, at least I have mastered this one. This is how you
My phone is...
For the last part of your driving test, you see an old man and a young kid. What do you hit?
The old man, because the kid has the whole life ahead of him, so I would hit the old man.
No! The brakes! You hit the brakes!
Oh shit.
For the
Hello, Grandma! Yeah, yippee!
Guys, I can't make this up. My house is haunted by a perverted
Next 5 seconds. I know exactly what this guy's about to do.
ghost, and I can prove he's a pervert. Watch this! Guys, I can't.
Once I make my move, then you're free to check the king. No. Ron, no! What is it? Going to sacrifice himself. No, you can't. There must be another way. You want to stop Snape from getting that stone or not? Harry, it's you that has to go on. I know it. Not me, not Hermione, you. Once I make my...
Wait. Are you sure I'm the biggest you've had?
I swear.
Say.
What? What do you mean, pin? No, what do you mean? What are you talking about?
You swear.
I swear. You swear? I swear.
You swear?
I swear.
This is the Mona Lisa, and if you
swear,
look
guys.
at her lips, it's hard to decide if she's smiling or not. Well, surprisingly, this is actually by design. You see, when Leonardo da Vinci...
God. This God. Look at... Oh my God, I'm just...
This is the Mona Lisa, and if you look at her lips, it's hard to decide if she's smiling or not. Well, surprisingly, this is...
My best friend is going for the world's longest breath hold. His last one was almost 1 minute.
playing at home.
My best friend is going for the world's longest breath hold. His last one was almost 1 minute.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's actually...
It's night now. All the way down there. He was going way longer than last time. I'm so proud of him. My best friend is going for the world's...
Stop this right now. What?
Sausage. Banana? Eggplant!
How did bro know? Wait. How did he... Okay, whatever. Thank you. How did risk get added? No! No! Risk! No!
Have you seen the mixing bowl?
Right it on, but it's a sink it out.
Hey, bro.
Man, you can tell us if you're... Man, you can tell us if you're gay.
It's not gay to play with dominoes.
He's about to do something. What the heck?
Man, you can tell us if you're gay.
It's not gay to play with dominoes. Wow, I just turned 33, which is the same age as Jesus when he died.
Happy birthday, bro!
And I'm feeling pretty similar to Jesus, because I'm trying to get nailed.
Are you crazy?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal.
What? Like, what?
Yeah, I'm trying to get nailed by a bunch of Romans while my dad watches. Wow, I just turned...
Dude, no way.